Mac OS X also has its own built-in dictation that you can use for both speech-to-text as well as basic voice navigation. To enable this, you go to the Apple icon in the top left-hand corner, select System Preferences, Dictation and Speech, then you'll click the radio button next to dictation that says On, click Enable Dictation from the pop-up that's displayed, and then click the checkbox where it says Use Enhanced Dictation. What this does is it allows you to use dictation offline, so you don't need an internet connection, without having to send information to Apple servers in order to translate what you've said. Once this is completed, we also want to enable all of the commands we possibly can use currently with Mac OS X Dictation and Speech. In order to do this, we'll go back to System Preferences and go over to Accessibility. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of accessibility options, and at the very bottom, you'll see Dictation. With that, you'll be presented with a button that just says Dictation Commands. We'll click that, and this shows you the list of all of the commands that are currently available. There's also a checkbox that says Enable Advanced Commands. We're going to go ahead and check this. What this does is it gives you additional navigation commands as well as commands for use with inside documents. We can also create our own commands though as well using the plus sign. We'll click that and we'll be presented with three options. The first one, When I Say, is just what you want to say as the command. So for this, we'll use Screenshot. And then while using, this just allows us to set whatever application we want it to function inside of. Since we probably want to take a screenshot of anything on the computer, depending on the time, we'll just leave it as any application. But you can pick other ones as well if you want to be more specific. And then for Perform, what this does is it just gives us the option of telling the computer what we want the command Screenshot to do. So in order to take a screenshot, we'll just select Keyboard Shortcut, and we'll use Shift Command and 4. Since I already have this screenshot option used already, we'll end up overwriting it. Now you might have noticed there were a couple of other options under Perform, such as Workflow. Workflows are basically just a series of tasks that Mac OS X Dictation and Speech can use, and these are created through the use of Automator. As you can see, Automator has a lot of features available for use with various programs throughout Mac OS X. Any of the default ones, as well as some of the more useful. And there are extensive lists for each of those options. There's a whole slew of items that you can choose from here, but unfortunately this is outside of the scope of this presentation due to time constraints. But if you download a copy of this PowerPoint from the Missouri Assistive Technology website for the Power Up conference, I have included a link to more information about this in the notes below this slide.